Hello, Mayumi. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Vale. Nice to meet you too.
Can you tell me about your previous work experiences?
Yes, last year I worked an architecture assistant. I help with drawings and prepared plan using AutoCAD.
What skill did you develop?
I developed communication and technical skill. I also learned to manage tasks effectively. What about you, Vale?
I work as administrative assistant. I organize files as work emails and help customers.
What skill did you gain?
I improved my communication skill and the work because it working with many people every day.
What are your current responsibilities?
I am an architecture student. I create projects and use AutoCAD, Revit, and SketchUp. And you?
I am also an architecture student. I design plans creative 3D 3D models for university projects.
How did you feel about your previous job?
I felt happy because I'm learning many useful skills.
That's great. Thank you for sharing your experience.
You're welcome. It was nice talking with you.
Nice to talk with you too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.